Welcome to my channel MHM Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as may require some files plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with in-corp openers, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel MHM Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.